Turning now to the opioid epidemic. Overdose deaths from drugs such as fentanyl are on the rise. That's according to the Centers for Disease Control. 8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough spoke with doctors and recovering addicts today who all shared how the effects this drug can have here in the Valley. Madison.
Yeah, it can be ingested in pill form, snorted, or smoked. Now, many people use it to numb their pain, whether that be physically or emotionally, but for many, the outcome is deadly. Your drug of choice?
Fentanyl. If they do a little tiny bit too much, and it could be a small amount, they get out.
One hit can kill you. The opioid epidemic continues to take the lives of so many all across the country. And it doesn't matter whether you live on the streets or in the suburbs.
Is Pawn Stars.
Just recently, Pawn Stars owner Rick Harrison's son died from a fentanyl overdose at age 39.
The amount of overdose deaths have just continued to increase.
Dr. Stephanie Zority with Valley Oaks Medical Group says fentanyl is commonly laced with other narcotics and has become the most prominent drug in the drug supply chain.
Fentanyl is different because it's synthetic, which means it's typically more potent than other opioids that people used to use like 10, 20 years ago.
And recovering addicts like Giuseppe Mandel, who is now an outreach associate for Desert Hope Treatment Center, says the price and convenience of this lethal drug is what makes addicts come back for more.
It's cheap, it's more effective, it's more accessible now. You know, I mean, now people are ODing smoking it. I don't think I'd be alive today if fentanyl was out here then.
Dr. Zority also sharing with me that methamphetamines have also grown in popularity over the years and will often be paired with fentanyl as a stimulant. Now, we have resources all across the valley if you or someone you know needs help. Reporting live, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.
Madison, thank you. Now, just last week, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken said fentanyl is now the leading cause of death for Americans between 18 and 49. That's according to the Drug Enforcement Administration. Now, in 2023, the DEA seized more than 78.4 million fentanyl-laced fake pills and nearly 12,000 pounds of fentanyl powder in the United States.